Y'all be wildin', he ain't bout it. Doing all that talking, but you strap ain't call nobody. You ain't scaring nobody. I'm a boss, don't do no following.
What's going on, man? Y'all see, bro, I'm back with another vid. Hey, from the time of this recording, bro, I think I got 155 subscribers, bro. We started from 8, so to all my new subscribers, man, hey, I appreciate y'all for subscribing and tuning in, man. Hey, if y'all don't know what I'm doing, it's your boy building. You feel me? A 4th gen. And indeed, I'm getting a supercharger. Still got to get this door fixed. You feel me? But this, and I'm also building a 5.3, but it's not going in this, but I'm gonna get another car that looks similar to this because I want this body platform of what I'm building. But yeah, man, I got to take the time to thank hold on. Gotta wait till it get right. There we go. So I gotta take the time to thank everybody for tuning in, bro. Y'all got to keep liking, gotta keep subscribing. You feel me? You gotta share the video too, man, to get everybody up on this platform. Hey, everything y'all do, what y'all do, you feel me? It's gonna help. It's gonna help with the channel, man. You feel me? So the more y'all keep tuning in, the more I can keep dropping content. But yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is her. So from the title of this video, hold on, gotta get the lighting right. So from the title of this video, man, I'm finna finish up all of the imperfections on this car. Well, this right here getting replaced, this getting replaced, but the stuff like this, I'm finna go on and I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but it looked like this. You feel me? So these little spots right here, I'm finna go on and hit that with the primer. You know, I'm finna hit this part right here with the putty. So I'm really finna finish all of this up while it's sunny out. I ain't gonna be able to sand it until like tomorrow or the next day. But, you know what I'm saying? Fixing all of this stuff. So I can do the big jump, you feel me? So I can do the big jump. You feel me? I'm finna fix all of this. But, as y'all see, the car is dirty as hell, man. Been kind of neglecting it a little bit. You know, had to take some time off, but you know, I'm back on. Yeah, real dirty. So to make this go a lot faster, all right, there we go. Y'all cleaned up. Woo, look at that, look at that. I hate the fuck Alright, so I went ahead and did all the yellow spots. As you see, I left the black spots black. I just really did the yellow because I know I was kind of digging into the material of the bumper. So I just went ahead and did just the yellow spots. You feel me? So I went ahead and tagged everything. Now I'm running out of sunlight. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just let this dry overnight. But if y'all trying to do this in the day, about 30-45 minutes, that'll be straight. Oh, I forgot about this. Feel me? Like, it gonna look way better after I sand it. This one, I had to do it like this because I seen a lot of spots that needed to be filled. So I went crazy on that part. But them the only spots though. But yeah, 30 to 45 minutes. I do 45 minutes just to be on the safe side, but it say 15 to 20. But if y'all want, you know what I'm saying, that extra reassurance, I do 30 to 45 minutes for it. The only reason I'm waiting overnight because when I prime it, I want to prime it in the sun so it can dry real quick. I know if I prime it now, I'm gonna have to wait a little longer. So yeah, this is gonna probably be like a 2-part video of today, and I'm gonna prime it tomorrow and sand it down. So yeah, man. So I'm gonna wait on that. Yep. That's just a full overview of what I did. It wasn't a lot. I mean, just little baby stuff. So yeah, man, we're gonna fast forward this to another day.
3 days later.
All right, as y'all see, I already went to marking up the car on the little small spots I'm gonna spray at. You feel me? Now I'm gonna have to put y'all on game. Like I said, I'm not a professional. But as y'all see, I still got spots right here. It's because them was the low spots. You feel me? And hopefully I can find a clip where I can show y'all why I had a lot of low spots right here and up here. But this junk feels real smooth. But yeah, I went ahead and just did the mock up. It feel real good too, like, bro. Alright, now I'm finna go on and put y'all on game, what I just said. So I realized for this bumper, as y'all see, y'all can't even really tell I put the putty on this. So when I was feeling it and when I was looking back over my notes or thinking about my notes, I really didn't look over it, but I seen that you'll want to put the putty on the spots where you see like chips. Like for an example, this right here, that's where you'll want to put the putty at. You know, sand that down, put the putty. You feel me? So I put the putty on this whole bumper, went to sanding it down, and y'all see the yellow spot still showed up. The ones y'all see like this right here, where I put the putty, is though I guess those was low spots, but I wasn't even feeling no low spots. So you know what I'm saying? Y'all see I still got a little bit on there, but majority of these, like this one right here, got a lot on there. But this right here, that yellow one, I guess it wasn't no low spot. So I really was spending hella time fucking sanding, and I ain't even have to put it on the bumper. So yeah, I want y'all to keep that in mind. But I know these spots needed it. Like right here, it's still kind of there, which is I don't care. And this right here. So that was really it. So I'm finna go ahead and get into the spray. You know, I just mocked up the spots I know I'm gonna spray, type deal. Might not even sand this today. I'm just gonna lay all my coats. I'm gonna let it dry 24 hours overnight. Then I'm gonna actually sand that guy tomorrow. You feel me? So let's get right into it. Alright, so I went ahead and primed. As y'all see, this look like the actual primer. Now, this one, it got this, what's the name, so good. It look good without the sand. Yeah, that look real good there. Now, I'm finna show y'all, this the brand I got. Y'all tune in. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.
Starving, violent for the come on. Crank it up, it's like boom. It's my new VOC.